I had about 2 hours of sleep last night, and when I got here, I thought it would all be worth it because we were going to go on that. But instead we got here and found out we're going on that. Are we on Ranella or Stromboli? Stromboli, let's eat. I think that I heard a right and 2 lefts. Robin thinks he heard a left and 2 rights. No one is home.
We'd like to go though in an hour. Yeah, can we go in an hour? Well, no. We don't want to pay $400,000 there.
Yeah. I'm thanking myself for every second of stair climber I ever did. 918 meters. It's awesome. It was such a beautiful climb. We saw the volcano blow about 3 or 4 times. It was just spectacular against the dark sky. The part that was a little bit tough was the crossover to the peak here where we had to go through the sulfur. And I was feeling great till we hit that. Oh, I would very much like to thank everybody that voted for this one. It was awesome. Thanks, guys.